Hey, good morning, everybody. It's currently around 5:30, maybe. Early wake up. Just came out here, scraped off my car. And today I think I'm going to go hike the Welch-Dicky loop. Don't have a lot of time, so I figured I'd do something short and in the area. See you guys up there. Hello, guys. Just made it to Welch-Dicky trailhead. And I'm all alone here this morning, as you can see. Sketchy roads coming in, that's all ice and slush. It was like that the whole way in on the roads. It's about like 6:45, maybe 7 o'clock right now. And one thing that I was not aware of is that it is a self-service pay station. So I guess you're supposed to pay to park. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll get down and see if I have a few bucks. So yeah, without kind of chilly. So I'm going to throw on my boots and socks and get going. All right. Hopefully some other people come up and join me, but it's not looking like that right now. You know, it's one of those days when no one's here, and you definitely don't have to pay, but it's up to you to make the right decision in this choice. I'm maybe half mile into the hike, and I came across this little gem right here. It says, "Caution, bees active in this area, please stay clear." You know, I don't think there's any bees active at this time, but I will gladly stay clear if they want me to. So here's the thing, probably about 10 minutes in my hike. It's getting a lot steeper. And the way this trail works is it goes up and then it lollipops up. So at some point in this hike, you have to make a decision if you're going left or if you're going right. And I feel like I should have already made that decision by now of how long I've been hiking, but I haven't yet. So either I went the wrong way or I just didn't see and I chose to go up to the left. But I'm not sure if you can see this. I'm going to try to give you a view. You can see up there, it's a big rock face and big rock cliffs up there where the sun's hitting. And I'm guessing that's where I'm going, so. Good hiking out here, all alone, but still good. Actually just coming up that hill, vegetation area. I just warning you that there's rocks and stuff, or plants and rocks and stuff, and to watch where you're stepping. But I think that means we're getting close to a ridge or some sort of ledge, because this trail is full of ledges. And I have no idea which way I'm going. I would check my map. Didn't bring one, because it's a loop. What could possibly go wrong? So I guess we'll find out which way I'm going when I hit up here. So it's 7:44. I've been hiking for about 20 minutes, and I'm just coming up on these ledges up here where I'm gonna get amazing views and amazing sun, and I'm so excited because also I swear I heard voices, even though I'm the only one down there at the parking lot. So I'll catch you guys in. Don't want to record all the way there, it's still a little bit, but I'm so ready to hit those beautiful ledges. Holy cow, that sun is bright. Right up there. Super big today. And you can see these wooden things that are usually, when this place isn't covered in feet of snow. You walk up and this is all rock ledge. And, so at least now I know I'm going the right way. And holy cow, these views are so beautiful. I've only been hiking for about 30-40 minutes and already spectacular views. I think that might be one of the summits up there or over there. I'm really not sure. And also, I have no idea where the trail goes. So I'll find it, catch you guys up. But for now, I'm gonna get some water and enjoy these sick views. Man, that sun is very bright. So another sun, just a little bit, ledges were right back there. So I'm gonna guess that this is the right way. Summit, I'm guessing, is up there. I know that wasn't the summit, no matter how good of the views there were. But we're gonna be popping in and out of these ledges. When I got out of the car this morning, I was feeling really tired. But after these views and a little bit of water, I think I'm good to go. She is getting steep. Oops. But no matter how icy this trail is, I refuse to put on micro spikes just yet. Oh, it's probably around 20, 25 degrees out right now. I'm blocking the sun. The sun's super bright right up there. And honestly, if I didn't know any better, I would say it's t-shirt weather. Taking off the Eddie Bauer, carrying on up to, I would say the summit, but I have no idea what summit I'm going to, so. Surprised I'm alone out here. She's a wee bit icy up here. Probably should send the micro spikes right about now, but keep hanging on. We're getting closer to the top and we're hitting amazing views that we haven't hit so far. See a house down there. But truly just beautiful and an amazing morning. You always got to keep in mind that all this ice on trail is all just a figure of your imagination. And I'm not getting up this way because I will slide all the way back. But just remember, this ice doesn't really exist. And if you want to go up it without micro spikes, that's perfectly okay. Especially for views like this. That's where we were, right down there. That's the ledges that we first hit. Since then, the view has gone a whole lot better. And I've gotten a whole lot higher on this open field of snow. Pure ice. Pure ice. It's weird to think that all this black stuff in the snow, they're all actually alive. And you can see them jumping and moving. They're called snow mites. And it's weird how many of them there are and you don't actually realize it. So. But anyway, trail says go this way, so I'm in a little bit of a pickle. I don't know if they expect us to be ninjas or anything, but this looks a little bit out of out of a comfort zone. Ooh. Not to mention that it's all ice. As you can see though, we do have bright blue sky today. Simply wonderful out here. Life is good. Well, coming from up there, I found the trail that goes over to Dicky, which is over there, I think, or Welch. I really have no idea where I am. But here's the summit. It's got a nice little spot. And views, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. They're absolutely amazing out here. And I kind of wish I had someone to share with, but being alone up here and this wilderness is something I will never take for granted. So hair's messy. Was sweating coming up here. Quite a haul. Not as much as the comments and trail reviews made it seem like, but really feel like I'm on top of the world here. So I'll get you a 360 and then I'll go from there. All right, well, I'm leaving the summit of Mount Dicky, or Mount Welch, I think it's Mount Dicky though, behind, and cruising up, following this ridge a little bit, and then kind of pop over there on the summit of Mount Welch. So I heard that this is where it gets steep and stuff and icy, so may have to throw on the micro spikes, but I'll let you guys know in a few hundred feet from the summit, and this just opens up and just keeps going. But this is a little sketchy. The drop off, the end of the cliff is right there, and the trail takes you down. You know what, I'm gonna stop recording now. I feel like that's my best. That's where I would have fallen off to my death, all the way down off that cliff. So you saw a little bit of it there, but we just came out of those woods. I just did, and it was nice and cool. And now the sun's hitting directly on me again, so it's time to wrap on the sunnies. And there's the summit of Mount Dicky, I think. So it doesn't look that big, but it was a haul to get up on the other side. And so there it is. And then I came down that steep side, and I'm just working my way up to Welch, so feeling good still. Straight up there. It's kind of on here on this flat area. And I'm not sure if this is the summit. It doesn't look like it, but there's a cairn, pretty big one. So I'm going to assume that this is the summit of Mount Welch, but I honestly could be totally wrong. You kind of only get those views if you can see them. Not big different than what you got over there on Dicky, but I do want to show you the summit of Dicky, which you'll see right over there. And you kind of get these good views. You can see the mountains over there in the back. Kind of looks familiar, but right over there is the summit of Dicky, where we just were. Right in here. So, but you can see the hills behind them, and it's absolutely beautiful up here. So up there was definitely the summit of Mount Welch, even though it was a little off. But here you get some of the views of the super whites. You can see them from far away. So I'm guessing that was the summit because this trail is just going down from here. But, oh, that was icy. So yeah, we're still getting beautiful views out here and all the way around. Still gorgeous day, but heading down. It is 9 o'clock right now, and it took me about 2 hours, I'd say, maybe a little bit more, to get up and hit both summits, and now I'm just sending it down. So hang with me. Here we go. You know, I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't mind having my sled right about now. For the view spanning, this will be one of the last ones I'll probably show you, but out here you can see the cliffs. It just comes up here and it's all rock, and that just goes straight down all the way along. Beautiful views all the way. That's not something I would want to slip down. So I'll keep it distance. That one was a tad bit icy. So right now is when the hike kind of starts to get not boring, but you're kind of ready for it to be done. As you can see here, it's just no views and just forest. I mean, this is one you kind of just put it in gear, and I can hear trucks down at the bottom, so I know I'm almost there, but this is when you really got to enjoy the part of hiking when you're alone, and it's only me and my thoughts, me and my big brain, so. Currently 9:44, so about 45 minutes since I was at the summit, and I was thinking, like, there should be a sign, right? And as soon as I look up, of course, there's a sign coming up here. So I guess this is the intersection that I missed. But there is no way that I could have missed this, and I'll show you guys in a little bit, but maybe I'm in, like, the middle of nowhere now. But, so, just hang with me. Yeah, parking lot 0.1. somehow I missed this. So right here it says, so that goes to Tripoli Road, which is off like up in Thornton. So parking lot 0.1, that's where I'm going. And then here, I don't know how, Dicky Mountain and Welch Mountain. So Dicky Mountain was 2.1. So I got the mountains mixed up, I guess, by accident. So that was my bad. But I'm guessing you go down here a little bit and there's another sign. But I don't know, I guess I must have missed it, so. Alright, so I just made it to the parking lot. And you can see the cars are behind me and the trail went that way. And so here it is. This is where I started it all. And both the areas go that way, but I guess there was a trail up here that I didn't even notice. So, but anyways, I'm here, I'm back home. Well, back to the car at least. Sign's behind me. Come over here. But I guess I wasn't alone, because there's 2 other cars. They must have came a lot later than I did. I got here pretty early, so. All right, well, feeling good. That was a good 4.5 miles.